So guys, for the first method, we're going to change the folder icon with the options that Microsoft Windows has given us. So first you want to right click on your folder, and then click on properties, and then you want to click on customize, and then click on change icon, and you can select from this list. You can make it anything you want from this list, and then click on OK. Now it's changed. If you want to add in a custom logo, or you want a bigger range, for your own custom logo, you want to make sure that the file extension is .ico. But if you don't want to do that and you want a bigger selection, then you want to head over to any web browser and then type in icon archive. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description. Now once you're on this, you can just type in anything you want. So I'll just type in folder. And let's say that I want this one. You want to click on it and then click on all download formats. And then you want to download the ICO. You want to download this. Now once it's been downloaded, you want to right click on your folder, click on properties, click on customize, and then click on change icon. And then click on browse. And I have it right here. Double click on it, click on OK, and then click on OK again. Now it's changed. If you want to use your own custom logo, you want to head over to the website which I'll leave down below in the description, Cloud Convert ISO Converter. So now once you're on this, you want to make sure that this last one says ISO on it, and then you want to know the extension name of your picture itself. It might be PNG or JPEG. So you want to look for that and then select it right here, and then you want to select your file. Look for your file and then add it in, and then just convert it. And then you'll have it as an ICO. And then you want to just do what I did earlier in the video, how I showed you guys, and then you can change the folder to any custom logo that you want.